Welcome to Jamaica Citizens Guide. In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of a motor vehicle in Jamaica. It is required by law that change to a vehicle's color must be noted on the documents for the vehicle. Failure to document the change is illegal. Here are the 4 steps to take when changing the color of your vehicle. Step 1 is to have the color of the vehicle changed. Step 2 is to pay the examination fee. You may pay the fee online at jamaicatax.gov.jm and print the receipt, or visit the nearest tax office and pay the examination fee, then collect the receipt. Step 3 is to have the vehicle examined and the certificate of fitness updated. So, visit the nearest examination depot with the following: receipt from the tax office, the vehicle, and the vehicle's certificate of fitness, certificate of insurance, and motor vehicle registration certificate. At the examination depot, an inspector will examine the vehicle and the documents. This is to ensure that the documents are for that vehicle. The inspector will then note the color change on your certificate of fitness. The updated certificate of fitness and other documents will be handed back to you. Step 4 is to go back to the tax office and have the tax office update their records of the change you have made to your vehicle. So, return to the tax office with the updated certificate of fitness and the other documents. At the tax office, you will be required to fill out this form, which is called Application for a Motor Vehicle Transaction. In Section A of this form, tick this box: Modification of Vehicle, Amendments to Particulars. When filling out Section B, ensure that you state the new motor vehicle color. Also fill out Section E and G. Hand in the completed application form along with the updated certificate of fitness, certificate of insurance, certificate of title, and a valid ID. Then pay the relevant fee. You will thereafter leave the tax office with your documents reflecting the color change on your vehicle.